This is Avaly, and you're watching her bed rot in her natural habitat.
I'm in my little phase, so please cut me some slack.
Right, so that explains the sleeping for 9 hours, getting nothing done in your room collecting trash like it's Nunu from Teletubbies.
I don't want to feel like this anymore, so let's get out of a slump together. I really need to get my life together. Yeah, let's get this ball rolling.
Thank the heavens I almost called for a wellness check.
Jar of my favorite cleanser. I feel a little bit more revived, which is good. I got this for free at Sephora in my birthday vlog, so if you haven't watched my birthday vlog, what the frick are you doing? Go back and watch that. Skincare is done. Now let's get ready to go for a walk. Before I go on this walk, I do want to go ahead and put my duvet in the wash. I've never been the type to wash my comforters often, but I want to take that initiative with getting my life together, okay? I think I feel so clean, so put together, so boss girl if I wash my comforter, or duvet, technically. Cases too. This is making my arms burn so much. Clearly, it's been a while since I've been in the gym. Okay, so while my duvet and pillowcases are in the wash, I'm gonna go on a walk. The reason why this walk is gonna be so fun, not only is because I am going to Dunkin' to try the new like pink drink dupe, but I'm also gonna have a little friend with me. Hey. Avian wants to tag along, so he's gonna go on this walk with me.
It's cool shoes.
Cool shoes?
Yes.
Oh yeah, they are pretty cool.
The brain rot game is called Connect the Brain Rot and Turn it into Ballerina Cappuccino. You need to download it. Why are you high?
Because it's 90 freaking degrees outside.
Yes, it freaking is.
Should I go in and order our drinks?
Yeah. You download Brain Rot.
Bruh.
Here's what Dunza. Nene, I'll show you a trick. 3, 2, 1. Do this.
Guys, they did not have the Lucy carpenter drink. I'm so mad, but I got a mango pineapple refresher, so hopefully this is still good. Cheers. I am back from walking. That was crazy. I feel like I should have drove because that was freaking hot. Like, I feel like all my skincare has just been washed off basically, but I feel okay. It literally didn't even have the freaking new refresher. Like, I'm so mad. That's the only reason why I even put myself through that. So I'm a little mad, but that's why you don't trust Dunkin'. Like, I was literally supposed to make a whole video for TikTok with it and everything, but it's whatever. Now I'm gonna run a few errands while my loads are washing. It's hopefully like get my day started on like a good note, because if you guys didn't know, I literally have a job now. Of course you guys wouldn't know, why would you know? But I have a job now, so I got a little money in my pocket, and I just did like 3 days back to back to back. And as a girl that hasn't worked in a long time, that was a lot for me. And I'm in my luteal phase, so I'm gonna go treat myself with a little shopping. I'm about to go do that.
Bruh.
Do you guys want a haul? I'm very happy happy with what I've got today, so I'm gonna give you guys a haul. So I'm gonna start off with H&M first, just because I only got one thing from there. And mind you guys, I'm really trying to hone in on my summer style because I want to be able to enjoy my life in this summer heat and not be miserable because all I have is sweatpants and long sleeves and shirts that are super thick. I want to be able to be comfortable in my summer style and actually enjoy making summer outfits. So yes, it's all black, but I feel like black just goes with everything. I got this long midi skirt or maxi skirt, I don't know, but she's really cute. I've been trying to find like a skirt this sort of style for a while now. And now from Old Navy. Old Navy is that girl because she had a lot of sales today. I spent a pretty penny here. So first I got this tank top. It was $10. I tried it on and it was so cute. This is such a summer sort of top. Not so basic. Let's say mon shorty. Yes, in the middle, like so effortlessly cute. I don't know. The next thing in these, I don't know which one is my favorite purchase, but this is one of my favorite purchases ever. These long ass jorts. They're so long that they're like pants, but they're like shorts. I've always wanted a pair of pants like these. Never knew where to get them, but you guys, these fit me so perfect. Like, I love how these fit me. Love these so much. And then my final purchase were these shoes. They were on clearance. Tried them on. They fit me perfect. Absolutely perfect. And these are just a perfect summer shoe. Like, I feel like I don't have any more summer shoes and I need some. Like, these are perfect. So that was a perfect shopping experience. So that has motivated me enough to get my attitude together and clean this room. I feel like I definitely am in the headspace to get this done because now I'm excited to have like a clean space. And I've been holding off on cleaning it so that I can film this video. So don't think that this room is a hot mess for no reason. Like, it's a hot mess so I could make this video. You believe me, right? You should believe me. I'm not lying. Yeah, let's get into this. Surprisingly did not have a lot of trash. I know it looks messy in here. Once I get rid of that Chipotle bag as well, it'll be much better. But I just have a lot of stuff that just needs to be put in specific places. So just trust the process with me. Stay with me now. I don't even know like where to start. Decide if I want to keep my pre-calculus test papers for next semester or is it fine, like just throw it away. Like, I don't need this. I'm gonna throw it away. I had a really good grade on this one though. It's okay, I literally could just look up problems online, so
Okay. Is that cuddles? Hey, we have 2 goldens. Is anyone behind me? Oh, look, baby. I made it. Whoever stupids. See, that's what he get for killing me. That's what he get for killing me.
Don't be a crasher.
That's T. Oh no. Oh no. Ah!
Bro, you crashed out.
I had.
After a long day of cleaning, having a fresh shower and moisturized skin, moisturized lips, moisturized mouth with some nice ice cold water from your Stanley. Like, oh my gosh, I feel amazing right now. I think I basically did everything that I really wanted to do on my list. Like, I got all my trash out, I went for a walk, freshed my brain, I washed my duvet, which, like, I feel like that was enough to call it a reset for me. With all my resets on this channel, I have never seen me go that far. So, very successful reset. Oh, but I do want to show you guys before you guys go that I finally got this put up on my wall in my new room. So now I have a calendar and I already feel 10 times more freaking productive. Like, this area is so cute. And then I don't know if I ever got to show you guys me putting up my shelves for my room makeover series, but yeah, I have the shelves now. Sony angels, little Lego figurines, my previously read books, Lego plants, my diploma and my plaques from high school. Like, it's just so freaking cute. And I really just feel like my room is just starting to become my safe space, and I really need that. The shadow of the DJI looks so sus. Oh my god. I feel like I should journal. I haven't journaled in a while, you guys. I'm trying to close out the video and I haven't even journaled. The night is still young. Let's do a little journal sesh. Yeah, you guys, I'm about to close this vlog off. I just finished journaling and I feel so much better. I don't know, I have to remind myself to like keep romanticizing my life, keep doing these resets, keep doing what I love, keep journaling, especially in moments where you feel grateful, because I feel an immense amount of gratitude right now, and I know that I have moments where I don't feel that. So the fact that I am feeling that right now is really good. So I'm just happy that like I just posted a YouTube video today and I journaled. I'm filming another YouTube video and I'm about to edit another YouTube video. Like, I'm just grateful that like I have a bed and I do have a roof over my head, and I've been able to find a job and I can start to, you know, get my life together again, and there's all these things, and knowing that like I have the mental capacity to change and to grow and to better myself. I'm just so proud of myself. I'm just happy and I'm excited and I just feel inspired to chase after my dreams again and all the things. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely look for more videos from me. I am back in my creator bag, okay? I promise. You know me, I go in and out, but I'm usually somewhere on the internet. That's one thing about me. I'm never gone from the internet completely. So this is also a reminder to follow me on TikTok if you don't already, because I literally post up there like often and I have several viral videos at this point. So if you're not following me, I don't know what you're doing. But yeah, I will see you guys another video, whether it's on this channel, my second channel, or TikTok or Instagram. I love you guys so much, especially if you watch until the end of this video. So you deserve a big old fat smooch.